Falcon, I'm pleased with your Duke so far. Huh, thought Falcon. Duke's an old fatness. The next day came. Listen, warned Duke, the mountain... How can I learn the route with you fatness ahead and blocking the view? Suit yourself, stupid bird, said Duke. But never mind the track. Look at the view. The engines set off. Look at the view, puffed Duke. Never mind the track. Fusspot, replied Falcon. Stupid bird, puffed Duke. Now I'll show you something. Huh, stupid fatness. Then suddenly... Yikes! Oh well, you just had a new coat of paint. Pity it fell down the mountain and spoilt it.